Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an emergency jump starter. First, let's cover some essential safety precautions. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and in park or neutral before you begin. This ensures a safe environment for both you and your car. Now, let's connect the jump starter. Take the red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery itself. This provides a good ground connection. Ensure both clamps are secure before proceeding. With the clamps securely in place, it's time to start your car. Turn on your emergency jump starter unit. Then, try to start your vehicle as you normally would. Crank the engine for no more than 5 seconds. If it doesn't start immediately, wait about 60 seconds before attempting another start. This prevents overheating the jump starter and your vehicle's starter motor. Congratulations, your vehicle is running. Now, it's crucial to disconnect the jump starter safely. First, remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Then, carefully detach the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. Store your jump starter properly. Let your car run for at least 15 minutes to help recharge its battery before turning it off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.